cut our other jalapeno. And our ginger is going to take longer to cook than our jalapeno will. So we'll take our pan and make sure that the oil is covered all at the bottom. And then we're going to drop our ginger in. While we're waiting for that to cook, we're going to take our baking pan and I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons coconut. I'm going to make sure it's not all clumped up together. And then we're going to put this in the oven. We're not going to bake it for very long, for only about 3 minutes. Now we're going to add our jalapenos. Move them around to make sure they don't stick and they're not boiling or scorching. And we're going to let these saute for about a minute.